Most JIT problems do not come from the activation button. They come from unclear roles, broad group mappings, long durations, or sessions that nobody reviews. This video is for SmartPT JIT administrators and Active Directory teams who want temporary access to stay controlled, auditable, and easy to operate. The first mistake is making a role too broad. A JIT role should have a clear business purpose and should map only to the required Active Directory groups. The second mistake is enabling every access mode by default. Manual, scheduled, and eligible access should each match a real operational use case. The third mistake is setting long durations. Max manual minutes, max total minutes, and reminders should keep privileged access short and visible. The fourth mistake is assigning the wrong user or role. Assignments should be specific, reviewed, and easy to explain during an audit. The fifth mistake is ignoring active sessions. Administrators should know who has access when it ends and when revoke is the right action. The sixth mistake is skipping core activity review. SmartPT Core gives administrators a wider operational view of JIT and other SmartPT activity. Before enabling a JIT workflow, check the role purpose, group mapping, access mode, duration, reminder policy, assignment target, and monitoring plan. The operating rule is simple. No broad roles, no permanent access, no unclear reason, no unmanaged session, and no missing audit review. Next, review SmartPT JIT troubleshooting to diagnose setup, access, and workflow issues without guessing.